morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Morning, Lejana.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Fine, thank you.
And you?
Buenos días.
What did I do last week? My name is Doriana María Cabeza Lozano. I am student, Institución Educativa Técnica Agroindustrial Juan 23, English, Sayers, Coyhaique, Tolima 2014. On Monday, I woke cold and dead in the morning. I brushed my teeth and took a shower. Then I had breakfast. Later, I did my stairs.
Okay, I woke up at 10 in the morning, brushed my teeth, and took a shower. Please, Dayana, no, be quiet.
On Tuesday, I woke cold at 8 a.m. At 9 a.m. I ran the house and went to accomplish a rest of studying at a church.
School.
And 12:30 I had lunch with my family, and 2:30 I went to clean the document, the watch TV.
Then I watched TV. Is the same Tuesday?
Es la misma. Bueno, como que
On Wednesday, I traveled with my grandmother to Bogota to my aunt's house.
To my
To
aunt's
my
house.
house. I had lunch around 12:30 p.m. with my aunt's family. After I went out with my coins to have an ice cream.
To have an ice cream.
Everybody.
Morning, Diego.
Hello, teacher.
Hi.
What did I do last week? My name is Diego Mauricio Lechona Aguiar. I am a student, Institución Educativa Técnica Agroindustrial Juan 23, English, Sayers.
Sanchez.
On Monday, I was studying all morning and sat home with my homes. What is home?
With my come.
With my home. In the afternoon, I went to the river with me.
With me, ¿qué? With my family.
Yes. On Tuesday.
On Tuesday.
On Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. All morning I was
All
morning I was in the internet playing free games.
games.
At night I went to bed at 10 o'clock.
At 3 o'clock.
On Wednesday.
On Wednesday.
I got food at 6:30. Then I went to play soccer with my friend.
I went to play soccer
Soccer
with
was
my
friend.
friend.
With my friend. Then I bought an hamburger
hamburger.
at
A hamburger
at 4:10.
at 4:10.
Pero nosotros no somos de un...
On
No
Tuesday,
equivocamos.
I got food and
I got up
I got up and then I played in the market. I sleep at 3:30.
Good morning, everybody.
morning, Ingrid.
What did I do last week? My name is Ingrid Capera. I am student, Institución Educativa Técnica Agroindustrial Juan 23.
Brush it.
Brush me teeth.
My teeth.
My teeth. Brush me fast and go dress. The head I at breakfast. Later me family, my family and me went for a walk. We went to head swimming pool.
We went to the swimming pool.
On Tuesday, I forgot calling my hair and my mom scolded me. I was very sick, so my mom had to her at the hospital.
At the hospital.
Tiene la otra, le falta el nombre.
Okay, go ahead.
Good morning, teacher.
Morning.
What?
So, you want to repeat?
Pero grabamos otra vez de nuevo, profe.
Okay.
Pero grabamos.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning,
Dame
class.
acá un segundito, una cosa. Espérate, wait.
Hello?
Yes.
Good morning, teacher. Good
Morning.
class.
Morning.
What did I do last week? I am Carol Tatiana Manchola Suero,
Okay.
Institución Educativa Técnica Industrial Juan 23, English Head,
Subject.
Coyaña 2014. On Monday.
No le aparecen las cuestiones.
Good morning, teacher. Good
Morning.
Morning.
What did I do last week? Student Carol Tatiana Manchola Suero, Institución Educativa Técnica Industrial Juan 23, English Head,
Subject.
Coyaña 2014. On Monday.
Monday.
I played in the park with my cousin.
I play.
Later, I went to a computer and I sang Tolima Sport game.
La memoria que se tiene es
On
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
está encima de la
I traveled to Bogota and I went shopping. I bought and paid of food.
Pair of books.
I visited
Also,
my grandmother. On Wednesday,
on Wednesday.
my grandma, my cousin, and me too went shopping. We bought a jacket for my cousin. Later, we
played.
played with my friends.
Friends.
On